Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we got this 2012 GMC Sierra 1500 with the 5.3 liter V8, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the oil on this vehicle. 2012 GMC Sierra 5.3 liter V8. Alright, so on the driver's side, I'm going to show you the location of the oil filter. Just so you know, I do have a hoist. I'm not going to use the hoist today, just to show you that you can do this without a hoist. So if you go towards the driver's side and you look underneath the vehicle here, you will quickly notice the oil filter, which is located right there. The white oil filter, but the drain bolt is towards the passenger side. So I'm going to go towards the passenger side and show you where the drain bolt is. And again, because of the height of this truck, you have plenty of space to do this without lifting the vehicle up. And here we are towards the passenger side, and there's the drain bolt right there. And it looks like a 15mm bolt. Alright guys, so with your bucket in place, you want to go ahead and remove that 15mm bolt I just showed you. And I've already cracked mine loose here, so I'm just going to position the bucket better there. And as you can see, I got plenty of space, plenty of room. And you want to just go ahead and let that drain out. So guys, as you can see, the truck is still on the ground. And if you have one of these tools, it's an oil filter wrench. It'd be nice, because sometimes these oil filters are a little bit tight. So unless you got a nice strong grip, this will help you a lot in loosening up the filter. And just to show you, with the bucket underneath here and the oil filter removed, we're just going to give it a few more seconds just to drip out there. Then we're going to replace the filter and the drain plug. And in case you were wondering, this is the oil filter number, PH 160. Alright guys, so once you got your oil filter into place and your drain plug into place, if you look on top of the oil cap here, you will see the grade of oil that you will need. On this particular vehicle, it's 5W30, and you will need 5.7 liters or 6 quarts of 5W30 engine oil. Just a little tip for you guys here: if you're having a hard time reaching the oil cap, I'm about 6 feet tall myself, and the truck is a little bit high, so what I'm going to use here is an old rim just to step on. That way I can get better access to filling the oil in through the engine there. Other than that, once again, this job is pretty simple and straightforward to do. You do not need to lift the vehicle. You do not need a hoist. There's something you could do at home easily. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated. Thank you and have a great day.